In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page in Godaddy website builder. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. We begin our journey at the Godaddy homepage. Head over to their website where you'll find all their offerings, including domain names, hosting solutions, and their comprehensive website builder. It all starts with signing in, so go ahead and click on the sign in button. If you haven't created an account yet, this might be a good time to set one up so you can follow along. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Once there, click on Godaddy Home. This area provides an overview of all the tools and products you possess with Godaddy. It's your main hub for managing website elements, so become familiar with it if you plan to make more frequent updates. Now navigate to the products section. Here you'll see a list of services including your current websites. If you manage multiple sites with Godaddy, make sure to select the website you wish to update. It's critical to select the correct project to avoid making changes to the wrong one. This step is simply a click away, so it's fairly straightforward. Once you've selected your website, you're going to be ushered into the website management interface. Look for the edit button and give it a click. This action will launch the website editor where all the magic happens. It's a powerful tool allowing you to tweak anything from images to text, all within a user-friendly environment. To add a new page, we're looking for a small plus icon, usually located within the site navigation area of the editor. Clicking on this plus icon is your gateway to creating new content on your site. It's an intuitive step that's quick and effective. With just one click, you open up a world of possibilities. Finally, you're on the brink of expansion. Hit Add Page. You can now choose a template for your new content, customize the layout, and set the groundwork for what this new page will achieve. Whether you're constructing a portfolio, a detailed service page, or simply adding new features, you're now equipped to make those additions with confidence. And there you have it. You've just added a new page to your Godaddy website with ease, ensuring your online presence grows seamlessly alongside your business needs. Keep in mind, this skill will be invaluable every time you wish to introduce new elements to your website. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore other helpful tips to make your website truly shine.